Oh boy, I'm so excited I can barely contain it. Behind me is one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world.
Whoa. Doc, when you said we were visiting a pyramid, I didn't think it'd be this cool. That pyramid is huge.
The Pyramid of Giza is the largest pyramid in all of Egypt. When it was built, it was 481 feet tall.
Wow. Who built it, Doc? They must have used a big crane.
It was built by ancient Egyptians. They didn't have cranes like we have today. They used rope, wooden poles, and their own strength. It took about 20 years and over 40,000 men to construct it. It was finally finished around 2,570 BC.
2,570 BC? That's over 4,000 years ago! You must have been just a baby then, Dr. Chaos. What's inside of the pyramid? Are there, rooms and stuff?
There are 3 chambers inside of the Pyramid of Giza. The King's Chamber, the Queen's Chamber, and a 3rd chamber that never finished construction.
Wait. There were kings and queens in ancient Egypt? Cool!
Kings and queens in ancient Egypt were called pharaohs.
And they lived in the pyramid.
Actually, the pyramids were meant as a burial site for pharaohs to honor them in the afterlife. It's believed that this pyramid was built to be a tomb for the pharaoh Khufu.
Wow. I want to see an ancient burial site. Can we go inside the pyramid, Doc?
I thought you'd never ask.